In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from syncing desktop, how to unsync OneDrive in Windows 11 5 minutes. If your desktop keeps syncing to OneDrive and you want it to stop, the quickest way is to unlink your PC from OneDrive. This turns off syncing for everything tied to that OneDrive account on this computer, including the desktop. Before we start, a quick note. Unlinking won't delete your files from the cloud or your computer. Anything already in OneDrive online stays there, and anything already downloaded to your PC stays put. However, online-only files that were never downloaded won't be available offline after you unlink. So if there's something you know you'll need without internet, open it first to make sure it's stored locally. Let's begin at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons and it should appear there. Click the cloud to open the OneDrive panel. From that panel, click Settings. This opens OneDrive's menu where you can control how it behaves on your PC. If you're prompted with multiple options, choose Settings again to open the full settings window. Think of this as the control center for your OneDrive app on Windows 11. Inside the settings window, go to the Account tab. This tab shows which account is connected and what's being synced. This is where you can disconnect the link between your Windows PC and OneDrive. Now click Unlink this PC. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Confirm that you want to unlink. After you confirm, OneDrive will sign out on this device and stop syncing. The cloud icon may change appearance, and you might see a sign-in prompt. That simply means the connection is no longer active. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Your desktop will no longer be backed up to OneDrive from this PC, and any changes you make locally will stay local. Your online OneDrive files remain accessible through the web or any other device that's still linked. If you ever decide to turn syncing back on, just click the OneDrive icon and sign in again to relink the PC. And if your only goal was to stop desktop backup while keeping others sync, you can manage that later within OneDrive settings under account options, but unlinking is the most direct way to stop all syncing immediately. That's it. You've successfully stopped OneDrive from syncing your desktop by unlinking your PC, and you're back in control of where your files live.